Hey guys, we're going to talk about adding a custom bookmark inside of directus. So you'll see I have expired, expiring soon, and up here I have non-workshop videos and workshop videos. So basically what these are just filtered views of the content, and then you store them as a bookmark and then allow all users to see them. So let's just dig in and make one real quick. So for organizations, I want to make a view that has the subscription status is equal to canceled. So let's find there's no organizations that have canceled statuses, but all you do is hit this bookmark, create bookmark button, and we'll just say canceled. Okay, so once that has been created, we're just going to go to our settings and go to bookmarks and find the latest bookmark, which was canceled. And right now it's scoped just to the user that created it, but since I'm an admin, I can go in and say global all users, click OK, and now all users will see this canceled. And just to confirm that works, I'm going to go in and I'm going to change this subscription to canceled. And then we'll see on our view, it's now updated there.